Common question that we're asked at Fluke is, why does my unit read 0.00 ohms when I'm carrying out a continuity test? The reason for this is as the test leads age or are used more frequently, the resistance can increase. And what tends to happen is customers will then continually null the leads without actually clearing the null from the memory of the unit. To remedy this, it's quite simple. What we need to do is we need to make the leads open circuit as such, so they're not connected, and then on the continuity test basically press the test button to get an open circuit reading, which we can see there as shown as greater than 2000 ohms, which is open circuit, and then the side of the screen we can press the 0 button. And what the unit will then try to do is it will try to clear the nulls from the open circuit, which it can't do. It clears all the nulls from the memory of the unit.